Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the glowing floodlights, Stardust Takers and Atlantic clashed in a spectacle, where every ball carved the narrative of this Millennium Cricket League F40 Division B encounter.
And in this clash of wills, it was about who held their nerve on the center stage, making the game as thrilling as a final over showdown.
I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge our advertisers for bringing this electrifying match to life. Their support mirrors the excitement we witnessed on the field today.
Hats off to DifGen Pharmaceuticals for showcasing expertise in capacity akin to a champion team, and Faith Home Healthcare for driving comfort straight to our homes.
Stardust Takers, deciding to wield the willow first, were stifled early by Atlantic's precise bowling. Yet, Gautam Yepuri counter-attacked, steering the innings with bold strokes. Atlantic's chase was a tightrope walk, punctuated by a solid partnership and guided by Shrey Arora's assertive batting.
Indeed, scintillating, Atlantic stitched partnerships when most needed, with resilience. The turning points came thick and fast, as each wicket fell, tightening the noose, and yet, the chase galloped on, thanks to their will to seize the moment.
Yepuri emerged as the linchpin for Stardust Takers, his innings blooming amidst the ruins. His alliance with Sai Jagadish was a beacon of defiance against the Atlantic tide.
And it was Atlantic's bowlers who spun the web meticulously, with Praveen Ravichandran's sharp spells and Suhas Jadhav's wicket taking prowess setting the tone.
Chasing, Atlantic relied on the robust stand between Shrey Arora and Anand K, a duet that composed the symphony of their pursuit.
Stardust Takers Munna K led the bowling charge, but the Atlantic batsmen navigated the storm, their sails set firmly towards the victory shore.
Gautam Yepuri's all-round brilliance for Stardust Takers shone bright, while Praveen Ravichandran and Shrey Arora were Atlantic's North Stars.
Each a protagonist in this tale, Yepuri's bat and ball wizardry, Ravichandran's miserly spells, and Arora's hurricane innings swung the fortunes in Atlantic's favour.
Atlantic triumphed by a slender margin of 3 wickets, their pursuit successful against odds crafted by a spirited Stardust Takers defence.
A heart-pounding finish indeed, with Atlantic etching a victory that underscores their tenacity and Stardust Takers' grace in the face of a narrow defeat. This was no less than a cricketing crusade, where Atlantic, like a knight in the last stand, secured a victory that was as dramatic as a sunset.
As we close this chapter, Yepuri's stellar stand for Stardust Takers lingers in memory, a testament to the enduring spirit of the F40 Division B's thrilling encounters.